Welcome to Nextmv. When you log into your account, you can get started customizing using our free dev tools, but we suggest getting started with the Nextmv routing app, which is our low-code SaaS routing solution. The app includes a full suite of configurable constraints that are available right out of the box. Keep in mind that you can customize this same model in the future. So now that we've added it to our apps, we will give our app a name and an optional description. We will create the app, and then we will see it show up under our subscribed apps. So let's click into it. We can see here that in our run history, we haven't run the app yet, so let's do that. I'm going to paste in some custom JSON input that's specific to my problem, and I'll hit run the app for 3 seconds. So as that app is running, it is finding optimized solutions. And here we can see our solution on the map. We can see the routes by vehicle, we can look at the output here, we can also see the details of the run itself, as well as the input that was used. So going back to run history, we can see our latest run, and we'll also look at the API reference page. So this is how you're going to interact with your app. So you can see how to perform a new application run and get the run result. So now let's jump into custom apps. And you can see we have different use cases, but we will click into the farm share delivery app. We can see the details and our instances, which can be used for different geographic regions, staging versus production, and more. And let's look at our experiments. We are going to perform an acceptance test. So we will click New Acceptance Test. So let's say that we have a new fleet that is capable of handling all of our goods, so we no longer need to include compatibility attributes in our model. So we want to compare our production instance, which does have compatibility attributes, against our staging instance, which does not. In order to move this model to production, we want to see 2 things happen. We want to see solution value decrease and the number of vehicles used increase. So let's start that off. We can see that it is listed here, and we will just refresh and see our results. So great, we can see that both of our metrics did what we expected. Our solution value decreased since we removed a constraint. We can see that reflected here both in the table and in the graph. So let's now look at custom vehicle count. So we expected this to increase, and we can see here that there are mixed results, but it does still pass our acceptance test. And lastly, here's the API reference page for your custom application, so you can easily integrate it into your existing infrastructure. Try it free today.